I've recently cashed in more than $950 using Google News. So, have your computer or smartphone ready because I'm about to show you how you can do the same. But before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Step 1. Dive into Google News. First things first, head over to Google News. If you've never used it, no sweat. Just type Google News in the search bar and hit the first link. Welcome to the Google News homepage, your digital newspaper chock full of news on every topic under the sun. Check out these articles covering business, tech, entertainment, and more. Now you might be thinking, how's reading news gonna make me money? No worries. All you're gonna do is a bit of copy-pasting. It's not rocket science. Just follow my lead and you'll be raking in the cash in no time. Step 2. Select a category. Forget the suggested articles below. Focus on these sections up here: entertainment, sports, science, and such. Go ahead and click on that one that catches your eye. Personally, I'm all about the health category, but feel free to explore the others. I'll click on this one. As you can see, we've got an endless stream of health news articles. They're getting updated all the time, so there's never a shortage of new content. Each of these articles could make you up to $40. So, if you work with just 4 articles, you're looking at a cool $160 a day, and that's just the beginning. Give it a bit more time, and your earnings can climb even higher. Back to the tutorial. Click on one of these articles. For example, this one. This is the article I'm using as an example in this tutorial. With that, you're done with step 1, finding good articles. Now you know how to navigate Google News. Next up, we need to transform the article you found into something fresh. We can't just copy and paste it as is. We want to avoid copyright trouble. That's where a bot comes in. This nifty AI tool does the heavy lifting. It uses artificial intelligence to rephrase articles with a single click. It's a breeze. Just type Quillbot in the search bar, hit the first result, and you're in. Copy the article you selected earlier, paste it here, and let the bot do its magic. Back to the article. I'll just grab a snippet since it's just a demo. But make sure you've got the entire article when you do it yourself. Now, paste the article here, hit the green paraphrase button, and give it a few seconds. Voila! It's done. So now, these 2 articles cover the same topic but in different words. The one we're gonna use for money is this rewritten version to avoid any copyright woes. You can follow the same process for all the other Google News articles. Remember, you can also explore other categories if you're up for it. By the way, you can upgrade here if you want your articles super polished. But if you're not up for it, no worries. The free version works just fine. Here's the grand finale. I'll show you how to make moolah with your newly generated Quillbot article. First things first, copy your article by clicking here and save it somewhere safe. I'll toss mine in a fresh text document because we're gonna sell these articles to websites that pay for quality content. Let me introduce you to 2 websites in this video so you can double your earnings. Stay tuned for the second one. It's my favorite and where I made the chunk of cash you see here. Once you've got your article saved, let's tackle the first website where you can make bank. It's called eatingwell.com. And here's the juicy part. They'll pay you $1 for every word you write, no matter where you're located in the world. By the way, if you're still watching, drop your country in the comments and don't forget to hit subscribe. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Eatingwell.com shells out $1 for each word. If your article's 200 words, you're walking away with $200. Ready for the second website? Brace yourself. They pay $2 per word, which means a 200-word article could score you $400. And guess what? No big investment or hours of writing needed. As I've shown you, Google News and Quillbot do the heavy lifting. No affiliate marketing or complicated stuff. Now, let me walk you through the process of making cash from your articles on this website. it's a breeze. Once you're on the site, you'll see they pay $1 per word. Your next move? Grab their email from their website. Then, shoot them an email with the subject Content Submission. Tell them you've got an article up for grabs and you're eager to hear from them. Feel free to use this template, but a little personal touch goes a long way. Mix it up a bit, add your flavor. Now, all that's left is to copy the article you generated from Google News and Quillbot. Make sure you've got the whole thing, then paste it in the email. The final step? Hit send. If they dig your article, they'll shoot back, asking for your payment dates, PayPal, bank transfer, and so on. Since it's your original article, there's no need to sweat. This website is totally legit, in the game for years. You could literally start doing this right after watching the video. You can chum out as many articles as you want. Sky's the limit on how much you can make. The more you put in, the more you'll put out. Now, let me introduce you to the second and last website, my favorite. It's aarp.org, and here's the kicker. They're throwing down $2 per word for each article you submit. You'll definitely be stacking more here than on the other site. But don't snub the first one. Using both is the real money move. Not only does this website pay more, but they're also open to a variety of categories like caregiving, games, travel, and more. So you're not stuck with only health articles like on eatingwell.com. Remember, these sites might not accept every single article you send their way. They might already have something similar. But even if they just take one of your articles a day, you're still on your way to big bucks. No sweat, no investment, start for free, get paid right to your PayPal or bank account. It's super simple. Copy, paste, and send emails. If you can handle that, you're golden for making money. If you want the scoop on submitting articles to this site, just check out their submission process on their website. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!